everybody, this is Mahita. Welcome to Smart Education in Your Hands. Today we are going to discuss about World Map Series Part 1. In this first part, we are going to discuss about how many continents are there and how many oceans are there in the world and how to remember the continents and oceans in a systematic way, etc. All the matter related to continents and oceans we will discuss in this video. In the next parts, we are going to discuss about how many countries are there in the continent like Asia or Europe or Africa and all the content related to Asia. We will cover all the topics in the next lectures. Hope you will watch those videos also. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move on to the topic. This is the world map, and you can observe here that Russia is the largest country by area, whereas China, it is the most populous country by area. And in the world, there are 195 countries are there. But according to UN, United Nations, there are only 193 countries are there. Why? Because these two countries, that is Taiwan and Palestine, these two countries are, according to UN, they are not countries. They are only subpart of another countries. Okay, we will discuss it about in next videos. Okay, this is the world map, and okay, let's start our video. There are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, and you can remember these oceans easily by oceans is having 3 A's: Arctic, Atlantic and Antarctic. Antarctic means Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean because that ocean is near the Antarctica continent, so it is also known as Antarctic Ocean. So there are 3 A's in oceans: Arctic, Atlantic, Antarctic, and Pacific and Indian Ocean. Arctic, Atlantic, Antarctic, Pacific and Indian Oceans. Okay. If you want to remember the continents, there are 4 A's in continents, 3 A's in oceans and 4 A's in continents. Remember this: Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe, North America, South America. Remember like this: Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe. Hope you are clear. These are the 5 oceans and 7 continents of the world. Let's move on to the next topic: largest to smallest by land area. Asia is the largest continent by area, and it covers 29.32% of Earth's landmass. Next, Africa is the second largest continent in the world with 20.32% of Earth's landmass. Then North America. It covers approximately 16.39% of Earth's landmass, whereas South America 11.94%. Then Antarctica, which is 9.19%. And then Europe 6.82%. Then Australia 6.03% of Earth's landmass. Okay. So Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia, Africa, then North America, South America, Europe and Antarctica, Europe and Australia. You can remember like this: Asia first, Africa second, North America third, so South America fourth, fifth Antarctica, and sixth Europe, seventh Australia. You can remember like this. You can say Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. In this way, you can remember the continents by area easily. And I will explain you again: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So that we can say that Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent. Okay. Let's move on to the next topic. Largest to smallest by population. Asia. Asia is the most populous continent in the world with 62% of the world population. 62%. Next, Africa with 15.64% of world population. Then Europe, 8.41%. North America, 7.83. South America, it is 5.61. And then Australia, 0.50. And least populous continent is Antarctica, because it is very fridge zone, means it is very cold place, so there is very less population, 0.01% of population in Antarctica. So now we are going to remember these facts. Okay, Asia is the first populous country and the first populous continent and largest continent in the world. First Asia, second Europe, first Asia, second Africa, third Europe, and first Asia, second Africa, third Europe, and fourth North America, fifth South America, and sixth Australia, and the last Antarctica. You can remember this like that: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, and Australia, and the last Antarctica. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. You can remember this like. Now we are going to discuss about land area versus population. Okay, if you see Asia, it is above 60% of land mass, whereas the population is approximately 28%. World population to 60%, about 60% of world population is in Asia, but the land area is approximately 28%. If we see about Africa, the second largest continent and the second most populous continent, here we can observe that world land mass is 20%, whereas the population is approximately 18%, 16%, like that. And you can observe that in Australia, the world land mass is higher than the population. In Africa and Australia, the population is less than the land area. In Antarctica also. In remaining places, population is high than the land area available. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.